Within this tutorial, we are going to cover news pages. If you'd like to select news pages from the left-hand menu. Firstly, if you click on categories, now evidently this categorizes your various news articles so you can put them into different areas of your website. It is as simple as typing in a name of a category and clicking on create. If we next select the next section in news pages, which is articles, you can edit existing articles and existing news pages on your website. Next, we will cover adding a new article. If you would like to click on New Article on the left-hand menu, then you are asked to type in a title for your article, categorize it, select an image if you so wish, which will be displayed on the news pages overview page, and below you have the body of the article itself. And that essentially is news articles.